Hello, fellow adventure seekers. Welcome back to another exciting episode of our travel series. Today, we've got something special for all you wanderers out there. The 12 accessible travel apps to help you find the best deals on flights in 2024. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you can stay informed about all our most recent travel destinations. Also watch till the end because we have a bonus tip you won't want to miss. Let's dive into the world of budget-friendly journeys. App number 12, Scott's Cheap Flights. Deal whisperer in your pocket. Finds and shares insanely cheap fares through email alerts, often requiring flexibility and quick booking. Unearths hidden gems and error fares other apps miss. Ideal for adventure travelers willing to adapt for amazing deals. App number 11, Skiplagged. Skiplagged specializes in finding hidden city flights, where travelers book a cheap flight with a layover at their actual destination. It can sometimes offer significantly lower prices, but users should be aware of potential restrictions and risks. App number 10, Rome to Rio. Finally, we have Rome to Rio. While not exclusively a flight search app, Rome to Rio excels in providing comprehensive travel itineraries. It considers various transportation options, including flights, buses, trains, and even ferries, allowing you to choose the most budget-friendly and convenient route for your journey. App number 9, CheapoAir. For our 9th pick, we have CheapoAir. This app combines flight, hotel, and car rental bookings into one platform, simplifying your travel planning. CheapoAir also offers exclusive promo codes and discounts, ensuring you get the most affordable package for your next adventure. App number 8, Airfare Watchdog. Airfare Watchdog is all about the meticulous tracking. This app employs a team of experts who manually search for the best flight deals and even include hidden promotions not easily found elsewhere. If you're looking for that extra edge in snagging the cheapest fares, Airfare Watchdog has got your back. App number 7, JetRadar. JetRadar is our 7th recommendation, offering a vast database of flights and prices. The app's best price calendar feature lets you easily identify the most affordable days to fly, giving you the flexibility to plan your trip around the cheapest options. App number 6, KAYAK. KAYAK has been a staple in the travel app world, and it's not going anywhere. What makes KAYAK special is its comprehensive search engine, covering flights, hotels, and car rentals. Its Hacker Fares features cleverly combined one-way tickets from different airlines, potentially saving you a significant amount. App number 5, Kiwi.com. Next on the list is Kiwi.com. What sets Kiwi apart is its virtual interlining feature, allowing you to combine flights from different airlines seamlessly. This often results in lower prices and more flexible travel options, making it an ideal choice for those looking to save big on airline fare. App number 4, Momondo. Momondo is our 4th choice, and it's all about transparency. It compares prices across various booking sites, ensuring you get the most bang for your buck. With a clean interface and a knack for finding hidden gems, Momondo is a favorite among budget-savvy travelers. App number 3, Google Flights. Now, let's talk about Google Flights. Known for its simplicity and powerful search capabilities, Google Flights provides a visual representation of different flight options. Its Explore feature is fantastic for spontaneous travelers, allowing you to discover destinations with your budget easily. App number 2, Hopper. Hopper is our 2nd pick. It's a game changer. Using advanced algorithms, Hopper predicts future flight prices, helping you decide whether to book now or wait for a better deal. It's like having a crystal ball for airfare prices, making your travel planning stress-free. App number 1, Skyscanner. First off, we have Skyscanner. This app is like the Swiss Army knife of travel tools. It scours the internet for best flight deals from various airlines and online travel agencies, offering a comprehensive overview of options. What sets Skyscanner apart is its user-friendly interface and the ability to set price alerts, ensuring you never miss out on those jaw-dropping deals. Here is a bonus tip for all you travel aficionados. Consider using these apps in Incognito mode or clearing your browser cookies. Airlines and booking sites may adjust prices based on your search history, and going incognito can sometimes help you score an even better deal. Also, combine these apps strategically. Use Skyscanner for initial exploration, Google Flights for detailed comparisons, and Scott's Cheap Flights for unexpected deals. Remember, flexibility is the key to unlocking the best fares. It may be a good idea to search for the same flight using many apps when purchasing a flight ticket because mainstream flight booking applications offer comparable capabilities, but costs and flight selection may differ. Once your flight has been booked and it's scheduled for departure, be sure to download the airline's app to receive all the latest information and updates about your flight, potential delays, airport terminals, etc. There are tons of other fantastic applications with amazing functionality, including TripAdvisor's general flight search app to track the best airline deals for your destinations. There you have it, folks, our 10 best accessible travel apps for finding cheap flights in 2024. Whether you're a frequent flyer or planning your dream vacation, these apps will surely make your journey more affordable and enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips, and let us know in the comments section which is your favorite flights booking apps, or if you have used any of the ones we've listed, still type in. Also, check out our page for additional travel adventures. Safe travels. Until next time, happy exploring!